Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subby friend. So today I am just making this super easy, like this takes no time at all, of a phone grip. But look how cute it is. So it says they whispered to her, "You cannot withstand the storm." And she whispered back, "I am the storm." And so this is really cool because I took this really nice plantar resin and I got this from AliExpress. I did a video showing you guys how to get them. And I added on here some rose crystal. And rose crystal is significant on here because, you know, it is about healing and love and joy. So I feel like it goes really well with this particular foam grip. Now, I could have put UV resin on here, and if you want to, you can do UV resin over it, make it really shiny. And you know, I do that a lot. You could put like a little bit of a light glitter in it as well, but I wanted this time to just show you how quickly you could make something really cute. And then I thought adding the crystals to it was just really nice. So this came out adorable. And I'm going to just add the video, show you how quick it is to make it. And yeah, turned out really, really cute. And then of course the foam grip is from Glitter Chip. Sorry, my phone is just being sort of... But yeah, so this turned out really, really cute. And I made this for me. All right, listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.